What you eating, neighbor?
Oh, this here? This is my Crescent Breakfast Biscuit. I made it myself.
Crescent Breakfast Biscuit. Sounds complicated.
Well, here, it's really simple. I'll tell you what. Want to see how I made it? Follow me along in this video.
My God, what did you eat?
What do you think of that, Wilson? Pretty good, huh?
Well, if you ask me, there's an easier way. You can do the homemade if you want. I'll stick with Mama Pillsbury.
Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead kitchen living. Making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.